Welcome back, everyone. We have some new customers, new to me here. The Toyota Tundra is the one family member I met first, and then I got to meet Mom with her 2024 Toyota Camry. 4-cylinder, naturally aspirated, and the oil sticker says 11,000 miles. The car has 11,000 miles on it, and there was no oil sticker, and the maintenance light was on. That's not a good thing, Mama. So they said they wanted a full synthetic oil change, and I said every 3, no later than 5. Don't follow the maintenance light. Rachel came out and says it takes 0.16. I said I'm completely fine with 0.16 as long as they're changing it around the 3,000 mile mark and no later than 5. I still would advise them to go up on the oil if they're going to continue to extend their oil changes, so I know that this engine has its proper protection. So I'm not down on 0.20 and 0.8 and 0.16 completely, as long as you're changing it before it shears out. The average person doesn't know when that shear out is, and they're not going to send their oil out for testing, the average person. So the average oil change that I'm going to advise for them, they're not going to go up in the oil, if they're not going to go up in the oil weight and viscosity, or wind turn viscosity, or weather and viscosity, you call it any way you want, is to change the oil every 3,000 miles. Or check it at 3,000 miles, and if it's still clean, go to 4. You know it's still doing a good job. If it's black and sludgy at 3,000 to 4,000 miles, change your oil. Pretty simple. So I gave her my advice. We can stay with 0.16 as long as you come back at 3,000 no later than 5. If you're not going to do that, then I want you to go up in the oil weight and viscosity. So we're out now. I'm getting ready to put a new oil filter on. So that's off. I want to make sure that there's no gasket on there. Prop you up here, and you guys can watch me finish this job. And I didn't get soaked in oil again. I'm going to put the oil filter on. We're going to crank her down. I'm going to show you the oil that's dripping on this white filter here. It's pretty dark. So to me, I'm saying, well, however long she went, which is the maintenance required light is on, it's pretty dark. So I would say overextended. It's not giving the oil its best. It's not giving the engine its best protection. I just followed another YouTuber that was doing a lot of testing for oils, and he basically comes up with the same thing that I was saying: is how many oils shear out at 3,000 miles. That was pretty good information. I didn't catch his YouTube channel and name, just something that came across, and I said, very well put together, very informative. He even broke it down into the testing, how that it showed a lot of the oils were falling out of shear at 3,000 miles, and there's other ones that are sooner than 3,000 miles. Shear means it's not protecting your engine anymore. It's ability to protect your engine. So we're going to tell Mom, please listen to my advice. Go 3,000 miles. Forget about the oil life monitor. That only gets you in trouble. Thanks for watching.